Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial today. Are you looking to create urgency and boost engagement on your WordPress site? A countdown timer is the perfect way to help your store grab attention and drive action. So, we'll show you how to easily display a countdown timer anywhere in a WordPress website using WPBrandy. No coding required. Let's get started. First things first, you have to install and activate WPBrandy theme on your WordPress website. As you can see on my site here, also I've activated Brandy starter sites and Brandy Blocks, along with that to leverage full functions of Brandy. Let's see. I have a big promotion ahead, so I want to add a countdown timer in the homepage to create FOMO for customers. I'm going to access Site Edit and search Countdown Timer Block from Brandy. You can adjust the style of this countdown timer to match with your homepage. I'm going to leave the time to count down here. Choose colors and fonts and something like that from the smallest elements of the countdown timer block here. Then, I'm going to set conditions to hide the countdown timer block in specific devices or according to user state, user roles, browsers, and specific days in a week. You can see it here. Now, see the Advanced tab. Do you see the Apply Globally button? When you click on it, the style of this countdown timer will be applied to others, but I'm not using it. With the display animation effects, I'm going to choose Fade. To make it more clear, I want to add a header to announce the promotion. I'm going to leave as limited time offer. Get 30% off at a special discount. Don't miss out. Once done, I'm going to click on Save to publish our countdown timer. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful countdown timer on your WordPress site using WPBrandy. You can use the countdown timer for many other purposes, such as cherished special event, a surprise gift reveal, a flash sale program, upcoming grand event, conferences, or many other events. So, what are you waiting for? Take Brandy and start creating urgency, boosting conversions, and keeping your visitors engaged today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with other potential tutorials.